Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that this week we have started with our new chapter, that was chapter number 7, doing words, verbs. Okay, in English language, and you know today's English language online period, and we have completed with our book exercise, and I have also explained you this chapter, this topic 2-3 times. Now if there is any problem in this chapter children, please you can message me in the comment box and you can ask me. Otherwise, continuing with today's video children, as you all know that we have a verbs chapter we have completed with our book exercise yesterday, and yesterday I told you that from today we are going to start with the notebook exercise. And whenever we start a new chapter or new topic in English language, first of all what we do, we write the introduction of the particular topic or chapter. Okay, so today we are only going to understand the definition as well as some points regarding this chapter, this topic, and then after that from tomorrow we are going to do little exercises also in our notebooks. Okay, so I hope you all are ready for your today's work children. And first of all children, those who have not completed their book exercise work till now, it's my request to you all that please complete all your work so that it will be very easy for you all to understand and to prepare for your exams. And children, one more thing, that from 14th of December, next week, next week, okay, we are going to start with our unit test. Okay, and that unit test are of 20 marks which will be added in your main exams. Okay, so you have to be prepared. Very soon you will be getting your syllabus and date sheet, and from next week I am going to take all your revision part. So before starting with our revisions children, please make sure that by Sunday you complete all the work which I will give and which I have given in this week. Is that clear? Now starting with today's video children, first of all take out your English language notebooks. As you all know that we are going to do this work in our English language notebook. Now whenever we start with a new chapter or new topic, what we do, we take out a new page and we write down today's date. Okay, so we have to write down today's date, that is 4/12/2020. And in the first line you will give the heading lesson number 7, doing words, verbs. Clear? Now today we are going to, first of all we are going to write down A part. Okay, we are going to do A part only today, and in A part there is definition and introduction of the chapter. Is that clear? So the definition of verbs is, first of all when you will give the heading in the first line, then in the second line you will write down part A, definition, and then you will start writing the definition of verbs. Verbs are doing words. They tell us about the action done by any person or thing. Now children, I explained you this before also that what are verbs. Verbs क्या होते हैं? Doing words. कोई भी काम करने वाले जो words होते हैं, like if you are doing something, like if you are writing or you are listening to me, what you are doing, you are listening to me. Okay, listen. Then the word listen will be your verb. Why it will be your verb? Because why the word listen will be a verb? Because we are doing something, we are listening to something. Okay, हम कुछ कर रहे हैं, हम कोई भी काम करने को verb कहते हैं. Is that clear? Now they tell us about the action done by any person or thing. Verbs क्या होते हैं? वो words जो हमें बताते हैं कि क्या एक्शन हो रहा है किसी भी पर्सन या थिंग के द्वारा. ओके, लाइक किसी भी पर्सन, कोई भी पर्सन क्या कर रहा है या कोई भी थिंग से क्या चीज हो रही है, दैट वर्ड्स आर नोन एज verbs. Okay, those are also known as, these words are also known as action words because they are doing some action. Okay, verbs tell us about the action done by any person or thing. किसी भी person और thing के thing से जो भी कोई action हो रहा है उसके बारे में जो words बताते हैं, they are known as verbs. I hope this is clear. Now coming to the next line. When you will complete your definition, you will put a full stop, and then from a new line you will write the heading example. Okay, अब हमने definition तो लिख दिया, definition के साथ अब हम example देके बताएंगे कि क्या examples होते हैं verbs के. For example, sit, eat, laugh, sleep, cry. Now sit means बैठना, यानी ये कोई person कर रहा है. ओके, आई एम सिटिंग ऑन अ चेयर, तो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, मैं बैठी हूँ, तो आई एम डूइंग समथिंग. तो सिटिंग विल बी माई, या सिट विल बी माई डूइंग वर्ड विच इज नोन एज अ वर्ब. ओके, ईट खाना खाना, लाफ हंसना, स्लीप सोना, क्राई रोना. सो ऑल दीज वर्ड्स आर डूइंग वर्ड्स, कुछ करा जाता है. ठीक है, ये चीज़ें हो रही हैं, करी जा रही है हमारे से. अगर हम इन चीज़ों को कर रहे हैं, अगर हम बैठ रहे हैं, हम व्हेन वी आर सिटिंग, सो वी विल से दैट वी आर सिटिंग. सो सिटिंग विल बी आर वर्ब. Eat, we are eating our lunch, so that means eat is a doing word, and it is also known as verb. Okay, so these are the few examples which I have written here, so you also have to write. Then after that, from a new line, you will put a star like this. Okay, or you can put a circle, because from here there are 2 points which are very important for this chapter. Okay, they are important points for this chapter which you have to understand. Now the first point is a verb ending with ing tells us that an action is taking place at this moment. This means that the action is continuing. Now children, what is this point is trying to tell us about? That जो भी verbs अगर उनकी ending ing से होती है, like sit की ending अगर sitting से होती है, eat की ending eating से, laugh will become laughing, sleep will become sleeping, and cry will become crying. So ing वाला जो word होगा उससे हमें क्या पता चलेगा? That the action is taking place at this moment. इस moment पे presently ये action हो रहा है. I am sitting on a chair. मैं अभी भी अपनी chair पे बैठी हूँ. तो that means कि मैं chair पे बैठी हूँ, अभी मैं बैठी हूँ. At this moment I am sitting. Okay, presently I am sitting on a chair. So this will tell us that the action is continuing. अभी ये action हो रहा है. Is that clear? So examples for this will be sitting, talking, barking, sleeping. Clear? Now second point, the words sitting, talking, barking and sleeping are formed by adding ing to the verbs sit, talk, bark and sleep. अब ये सिटिंग, टॉकिंग, बार्किंग एंड स्लीपिंग कैसे फॉर्म हुए हैं? बाय एडिंग आईएनजी. आईएनजी हमने किस में ऐड किया है? वर्ब्स में. कौन कौन से वर्ब्स में? सिट में, टॉक में, बार्क में और स्लीप में. इन सारे वर्ड्स के साथ हमने आईएनजी जब लगा दिया तो these words have become these words have become sitting, talking, barking and sleeping, which tells us that the action is taking place at the same moment, at the present moment this action is going on, it is continuing. Is that clear? So I hope this topic is clear to you all children, and this is the only part which we have to write today. With this video, this is the only assignment which I am going to give you for today. So make sure children you just understand, first of all you understand this ing topic from my video, and then after that you can write it in your notebooks. And make sure children the work should be completed by today itself, because from tomorrow I will be giving you an exercise to complete in your notebooks of the same topic. Okay, so till my next video, with this video children I will be giving you an assignment, and in that assignment I will be typing all the work which I have told you here, which I have explained you here, and then you can write it from there in your notebooks. Is that clear? Make sure you complete all your work on time, and make sure that you complete all the work in the same manner as I am explaining every day. Is that clear children? So till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.